Man, that's a big city, huh?
Yeah.
So where do you guys live?
I live in Scottsdale. He lives in
Manhattan Beach,
California.
Okay.
It looks so pretty up here. Wow.
Yeah.
So do you guys want to do some roller coastery kind of stuff? Okay. Let's get the camera set up so we can catch the screaming. All right. You ready?
Ready.
Get a little speed. And we'll pull out.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Oh my gosh. That's so cool.
That's crazy.
Oh my gosh. This is the best roller coaster ever.
Oh my Lord.
Weightless.
Wow.
Isn't that fun?
That's
That
crazy.
is so fun. You still enjoy it?
Every flight, yep.
Oh.
Yep, I love it.
You know what I mean? Like, is there any kind of G's force or anything to that effect?
We were pulling 2.5 G's there.
Wow.